Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make a deposit on 1xBit. So let's get started. For that, we need to go to any browser and we need to get into this 1xBit interface. And for that, we need to search for 1xBit.com and we get into the interface like this. Now we need to click on menu icon over here in the bottom right, or you need to simply click on deposit as well. So let's tap on this, and here we can see various deposit options, so you can choose any of the methods. So let's go for this one and click on OK. Here we need to enter all of our information like our ID, amount to be deposited, and the transaction code, which is of 7 to 8 digits. Once you are done, simply click on secure transfer for the secure transfer and simply click on confirm. After that, your deposit process will finally be processed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.